Does your headlights look like this when you're going down the road? One of the headlights is just off to the side on its own little journey. Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to adjust your low beam headlight and your 2012 Ford Fusion. It's pretty simple. You're not going to need any tools or anything, and it'll be pretty quick. So hopefully you enjoy the video. If you do, let me know down below. Well, the first thing is you can't really align these headlights left or right. Ford decided not to do that. But if your headlight is at an angle, I'll show you how to fix it anyways. First thing you're going to want to do is open your hood. Alright, so after you get your hood open, we're going to have to take this box off. So in order to do that, we're going to have to, it looks like we have to take this plug off. You pull that up, and it should just come right out, right? So what I'm learning here is with this plug you just pull it after you pull this tab up. Okay, now it looks like we have 4 clips. Oh, okay, looks like we have 2 clips. This is a good time to check your air filter as well, since we're basically going to be looking at it. Okay, put that over there for now. Here's my air filter. This one looks pretty good. Looks almost new. Alright, so you should have this left. Now it looks like there's like this rubber guard here. Yours might not have it. Looks like you just pull this off, and then you pull this off. There's a hole over here. Let's see. There you go. So you pull that off, and then this should just come right out. So I'm putting that over there for now. Okay, so once you take the cover off, all you're going to do is just pull up and take this out, and this box should come right out. And now we have clean access to the headlight that is giving us problems. Okay, so I will show you what is the next step. Okay, so this is the main light here. So we're going to take this cover off, and look at that. This one isn't screwed in all the way. That's why the light is so messed up. I'll show you. It's still kind of hard to see, but the light is actually loose on this end, but it's not on this end. So we're going to have to unscrew it, make sure it's nice and flat, and screw it back in. And that is how it should look. The gasket should go on the whole plastic. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this rubber seal that you're seeing, the orange, should be going, making contact the whole way around onto this housing here. And now you can put your cover back on, like so. And when you turn your lights on, that light should be aiming straight now. I will show you how to put everything back together as well. I think the first thing I'm going to do is put this box back on. Might as well take everything out of it since it's out. have a nice fresh start. Alright, so the way that this box goes in is there's two studs and then another stud on this side. And as you can see, there's 3 studs down there. So all you're going to do is line it up and push it in until it clicks. That's what I'm doing here. So you want to make sure you line up the holes and the studs. You just push and you feel it seed right on in there. Wow, that was too easy. Alright, so that's done. Now we're going to want to put this wire back on to this hole, just like that right there. And then we'll put our air filter back on. Like so. And then we'll put our cover back on. Like so. Okay, and then you got these 2 clamps. Alright, you got these 2 clamps here. As you can see, you just clamp it down. And then on this side, the bigger one goes on top. You just clamp it down. Okay, now we're going to put this back on. And as I said before, you gotta line up this stud with that hole in there, if you can see it. Let's see if we can focus. Right in there. So I'm gonna do that now. Aim you guys up. There you go. I see. Okay, so I'm going to put this on. Put that in the hole. And okay. After you get your airbox installed, don't forget to plug in this. There we go, just like so. Don't forget to lock it. Yeah, it's not going anywhere now. And that's it. That was a pretty easy job. Really easy. Say like 10 out of 10 for easiness. So I'll turn the car on and I'll show you guys the headlight properly working by tonight. If you do need to adjust the height though, there's this screw here, and I believe if you rotate it left, the headlight will go up. If you rotate it right, the headlight will go down. I'm not sure what size that is though. Looks like you can use a Phillips, but I would definitely use an Allen key instead, just because you get better grip on it. But yeah, that's how you fix your headlight alignment. You make sure the screw is, or the bulb is installed correctly. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you the results of just adjusting the light bulb to where it sits into the housing properly. And as we can see off to the side, there's no more of that mystery spotlight that we had before. So once I get home, I'll show you what it looks like when I park up to the garage as well. Right, now we're pulling up to the house, and I definitely need to make an adjustment to the light, but as we can see, there's no phantom light anymore, so hopefully this video helped you out. Alright guys, so that's how you install your or that's how you align your headlight on your 2012 Ford Fusion. Hopefully this helps. If it did, drop a like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. I'll try to post more as I can, but I'm working full-time too, so I gotta kind of balance it out right now. But yeah, thanks guys.